Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down one of the most questions Forex beginner traders have is where does the money come from? What is Forex? Make sure to stick around up until the end of the video. By the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding what is the Forex market about and how me and you can make money from it. And please make sure to like the video and leave a comment and do me a huge favor by subscribing to the channel. What is Forex? Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. And Forex exchange is basically when you exchange one currency to another currency. So Forex, it takes place everywhere. If you've traveled, you've also taken part of Forex, foreign exchange, something like that. So let's say you are from South Africa and then you take a vacation all the way to USA. So basically when you are in USA, the rand is not going to work in USA. So you're definitely going to need to exchange the rand to dollars. So with Forex trading, we're doing the similar thing, but we're doing it on the charts. We're trading currencies. There's over 50 currencies in Forex that we can trade, and we trade them in pairs. You get me? So here's the crazy part. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. We're talking over 7 trillion USA dollars. It's being traded every single day. That's way bigger than the stock market in Wall Street. You can trade it for 24 hours and 5 days in a week. So basically Monday all the way to Friday. What actually move currencies? What actually move the candlesticks, like the graph? Currencies are always moving because of things like interest rates, inflation, and politics, and even world events like the NFP, CPIs, things like that. When you trade Forex, you are going to have knowledge about those things. For an example, if the USA dollars get strong against the South African rand, traders can make money by buying the USA dollars and selling the South African rand later at the higher place. It's basically when you buy one currency while selling another currency. So we always trade them in pairs. Where does the money come from? Basically, we have investors, we have banks, we have large institutions, and we also have retail traders that take part in the Forex trading. You understand me? So the simple answer is it comes from other traders. For example, Forex is a zero-sum game. When you win, somebody else loses. So the people that make profit, they make it from those people that lost. You understand me? So because we also have like retail traders, that's me and you. We also have large banks and institutions and investors. Those people, they trade with large sums, man. They trade with billions. They trade for international companies. You understand me? And us, we trade with small sum of money. So basically, when you make money, somebody is losing at the other side. So you're making money from those people that lost. You understand me? Just to put it simpler. Yeah, basically that's the end of the video. Hopefully I explained everything, and I made it simple. This is the first episode. We're going to have more episode. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video.